Hi guys, welcome to give you a weekly presentation. Today I'm going to talk about CA Agile Central. So this is the agenda. First let's look what is this CA Agile Central, then features and benefits, success stories, why we should choose Agile Central, and then recommended products and services with this Agile Central, and then let's move on to demo and finally references. So let's meet Agile Central.
Commence agility testings. Challenge, accelerated timelines. Challenge, non-scalable project tracking. Challenge, budget reallocation. Challenge, budget reallocation. Challenge, integrating disparate systems. Challenge, continuous software releases. Introducing agile management in CA technologies. How agile are you?
Let's look what is the CA Agile Central. Simply, CA Agile Central means collaborative enterprise software as a service platform for the agile software development. On the other hand, we can tell it's an enterprise class platform that purposely built for the scaling agile development practices. And also it's provide a hub for the teams to collaboratively plan, prioritize and track work on the synchronized cadence. Obviously, it is one of the leading enterprise solution for the agile at scale. And CA Agile Central, formerly known as a Rally, in 2015, Rally software acquired by CA Technologies. Then onwards, it's calling as Agile Central. So these are the main features and benefits of the Agile Central. It's purposely built. First one is it's purposely built for the speed and scale. CA Agile Central is an enterprise class platform built for coordinating agile development work across the multiple teams and programs, and for the handling large number of users and the artifacts. Second one is it empowers the agile teams. It has some features like capacity planning, team planning, release tracking, and also personalized navigation and customized environment. So these features empowers the agile teams. The third one is it's eliminate the manual spreadsheet updates. The teams who are using this Agile Central don't need to update manual spreadsheets, so it's one of the advantage. So these are also some benefits and features. It's easy to understand flow and customized environment, and also it's a workspace based management tool. The package I'm using for this demo currently, but it got only one workspace as it's free, but the enterprise level package has got many workspaces, so there are no constraints like that. And also it's another thing is it's easy to generate reports and charts to track the status of the project as well. I will talk about that in the demo. The final one is the CA Plus video learning video library. It's an video library that has more than 100 videos, so you can easily find them through internet and learn from them. So these are the packages, Community Edition and Unlimited Edition. The package I am using currently for this demo is Community Edition. It's free edition, but for the only 10 users and 5 projects. The Unlimited Edition has no such constraints. So let's move on to success stories. So these are some companies which are using this Agile Central currently. Companies like Swisscom, Digital Globe, Cisco, Vantive, Travis Perkins, TeamQuest. Let's see why we should choose CA Agile Central. First one is it's a software as a service. The package, as I told before, the package I'm using is free, and it's cost effectively access application over the cloud via software as a service. The second one is education and training. CA Technologies got good education and training facilities. It sharpens your skills with training, certification and resources that can transform your company and career. The third one is service and support. It accelerates your success with the help that timely targeted. CA Technologies got good service and support center. You can either email them or chat with them and call them in 24 hours. So let's see what are the recommended products and services with this Agile Central. First one is CA Flow Doc. It's some kind of chat room, and also it has a shared inbox, so you can easily share your documents with that inbox. It's like currently we are using Slack for this communication, so it's like that. The second one is CA Project and Portfolio Management. It's a single platform that enables you to manage your entire innovation lifecycle and make more informed strategic investments. The final two, the CA Agile Coaching and CA Agile Transformation Consulting, is very good when your company moving towards to the Agile from the waterfall method. CA Agile consultants and coaches have trained thousands of teams and trained over 30,000 people on Agile concepts and methods. And also CA Agile Transformation Consulting is, we can say, it's one of the safest and most structured and fastest way to adapt Agile process across your organization. Yeah, so okay, let's move on to demo. Before that, let's see a video regarding this.
You've got a great idea, but unless you can bring it to life faster, better, and for less than your competitors, an idea is all it will stay. That's why you need Agile Central from CA, the enterprise-scale Agile solution that transforms ideas into innovations, and in the process gives you the control and confidence you need to create opportunities. Together with our Agile transformation consultants, Agile Central will help you easily connect strategy to execution, so you can achieve visibility and alignment throughout your entire delivery process, and maximize value at every step, no matter how big you are, or what Agile methodology you use, from SAFe to Scrum to your own customized approach. That's because Agile Central is the Agile management platform that synchronizes every phase of your development lifecycle, and can rapidly scale to any number of concurrent real-time users, no matter where they are. So if you'd like to enjoy up to 30% higher profits, up to 97% greater productivity, and reduce your costs by nearly a third, discover the power of Agile Central and see your business in a whole new light.
Yeah, so let's start with the beginning. First, let's look how to set up this Agile Central. I will start from the beginning, so it's gonna be easy. Just search Google in CA Agile Central and select the topmost link. So yeah, so this is their product page, so you can find more information about the CA Agile Central from this page. Yeah, so as I told before, so these are the main two packages of this. If you want to start your unlimited edition, you can start it from here. Unlimited edition got the 15-day trial period, so you can start your free trial period from by clicking this. So for this demo, I will choose this community edition. So here you need to fill these information like the about email and name. So after that, after submit this, you will receive an email with your verification link and password. So after that, you can log into this CA Agile Central from those username and password. So this is the login page. So you can enter your username and password here and sign in. Yeah, so this is the dashboard page. As I told before, most of the pages of this CA Agile Central are customizable. They can customize as your requirements. So, as a QA perspective, I customize this with applications like my defects, defect trends, and my test cases. And also, I will show you how to customize. To add application you want, you can move your cursor to this settings icon and click on this add application button, and then it will display the list of application catalog. So from this you can see the list of applications. From that you can select whatever you want. Yeah, so let's see how to add users for this. Click on this setup icon. So this page displays the users of this workspace. So assume that you want to add a new user to this workspace. So you can add it from here. Click on this add with detail button, and then from here these red fields are mandatory fields. You have to fill that. Let's use. So you can give the first name, last name, middle name, and also you can give the profile images from here. So this part is important, the permission part. If you want to give this user as a admin, you can click on this button, or assume that you want to give this user as a user, and then the project to editor. I added only two projects. Currently I added only two projects, so it displays only these two. You can give this user as a project admin, editor, or a viewer. Let's give editor and save and close. Yeah, so as you can see, our newly created user is here. So it's about users, and let's go to workspace and project. So in this page it displays the projects and the workspace, and also you can add projects from here. This package got only one workspace, and only up to 5 projects can be added. So assume that we want to add a project for this workspace, create project for this workspace, and give name for the project. And if you want to give this information, you can fill it and save and close. So as you can see, our newly created project is here. So it's about projects, and let's go to subscription page. In the subscription page, it includes information like admin capabilities and password policies. You can see them. In the extension page, it's about the integration. I will talk about that later. So let's move again into the dashboard page. Yeah, so let's see these menus. So this building icon is the workspace. Since it got only workspace, it's displaying, and you can select the project from here. It's displaying the hierarchy of the project. For this demo, we will choose project 2. Yeah, so let's see this home menu. Yeah, home menu includes the dashboard page, and also we can create our own customized page and add whatever the application we want. Let's see how to do that. Click on that plus icon and give the name to the page. and then select the project from here and save and close. So this is our custom page, and after that we need to add the application. So this is the catalog. For this let's give Kanban board. Yeah, so as you can see, our Kanban board is here. So it's about this home menu. So let's see this plan menu. Plan menu includes the backlog page, user stories page, time boxes page, and team planning page. In the backlog page, it includes the backlog items of the project. So let's move on to this user stories page. In the user stories page, it displays the user stories. And also assume that we want to add the user story. To do that, we can do that from here. Click on move your cursor to this action button and click on this new user story. New user story name. You can fill this information description, and also you can select the release, what is the release and what is the iteration from here, and assume you have attachment for this, so you can attach those documents from here and then create. So as you can see, the user story is here, and also we can customize this view of this page. To do that, we can do that by clicking this new custom view button. Give name for this. And these are available columns and these are selected columns. You can select whatever you want from these available columns to move that, and then save and close. Yeah, so the newly created custom view is here. So it's like that, and let's see this inside of this user story. By clicking that. So as you can see, there are several tabs here: details, tasks, children's, defects of this user story. Let's see what is this task. For this user story, I only created 4 tasks: requirements gathering and analysis, design, developing, and QA. You can create your own task from clicking this and fill. Yeah, so it's like that, and also you can see the revisions of this user story from here. It includes all the history records, who changed and when is the change happened. Who is the author, like information like that. Yeah, so it's about the user story, and let's see what is this time boxes page. The time boxes page, it includes the iteration, releases, and milestones. In the iteration page, it displays the current iteration, and also assume that you want to add the new iteration. So to do that, you can do that by clicking that add with details button, and then fill this information. and you need to give the start date and end date, and what is the status of the iteration, planning committed or accepted. So our newly created iteration is here. So let's see the release page. Releases page is also like the iteration page. It displays the current releases here, and then if you want to add a new release, you can do that by clicking this. You need to give name, start date and end date, release date, and status. So it's like that. And also milestone page is also like that. I didn't add any milestones currently, so it is not displaying anything. So let's see this team planning page. In the team planning page, you can get the idea about the team, and also you can plan the team from this page. So it displays the items that included in the iteration, and also you can edit. Assume that you want to move this user story 9 from this iteration, you can move like that, and also that this include this user story to this iteration too. To do that, you can drag and drop like that. So as you can see, you can plan your team from here. Yeah, okay, it's about the plan menu, and then let's move on to track menu. Track menu include the iteration status, team status, release matrices, and task page. In the iteration status page, there are several indicators like plan velocity, iteration end, accepted, the percentage of accepted, and defects. So there are currently it's not. I didn't add the data, so that's why it's not displaying. And also it includes the charts like pie chart, iteration burn down chart, and cumulative flow charts. Yeah, so that's about the iteration status. So let's move on to team status. In the team status page, it shows the hourly capacity of the task of each team member. I didn't add information, so currently it's not displaying anything. But if you add information to information like that, it's displaying here. So let's move on to this release status page. In the release status page, it shows the work items assigned to the releases, and also it displays the test case and defects. You can select the test cases from here and defects from here. So yeah, it's about that. And let's move on to release matrices. It's not loading. Let's try again later. So let's move on to this task. In the task page, you can see all the tasks are displaying, and also indicators like what is the status and estimated time and to do time, like information like that also there. Yeah, so it's about the track menu and quality menu. Let's move on to quality menu. Quality menu from QA perspective, this is the most important part. It includes the defect page and defect suits page. Defect page displays all the defects here, and assume you want to add a new defects. To do that, you can click on that new defect button, and you can give the name here. And description here, and also you can assign developer from here, owner, and you can give this information like the environment, development environment, test environment, staging or production, and also indicators like severity, priority, what is the creation date, found in build, what is the found in build, verified build, and also information like what is the release, iteration, and assume that you have the screenshots of that defect, so you can add them by clicking this. So yeah, that is how you add new defects. Yeah, so it's about that, and as I told before, this view is customizable. You can customize by clicking this new custom view, and assume you want to get this defect list to the Excel sheet. So to do that, you need to move your cursor to this action button and click on this export to CSV, and it will download the Excel sheet. Yeah, so Excel sheet include the list of this defects. So yeah, it's like that, and also there is a page for the defect source. I didn't add the defect source, so if defect sources are there, it is displaying here. Yeah, so let's move on to this report page. Report page include the reports and insights. In the reports page, on the left side, there are a list of defects which are provided by CA Technologies, and also assume that you want to create your own custom report. So to do that, you can do that by clicking this. Before that, you can learn from this about how to create custom reports by clicking this. And for this demo, let's create a report for the defect by priority. You just need to click on that, and it will create a report. Yeah, so report is generated. So this is the report, and assume that you can get this report as a PDF or JPG as image. So let's click JPG, and JPG will download. Yeah, so this is our report. Yeah, so yeah, reports are like that. Let's move on to this integration facility. Rally provides the integration facility for the external tools. I will show you that external tools. We need to go to this help button, help, and type Rally integration here. Click the topmost link, and it will display the list of external tools. Tools like Jira, Bugzilla, and also Eclipse, Git, and Visual Studios. Most of the main tools are here, so you can integrate with this Rally, and you can learn how to integrate easily from this. Not only integration and all the facilities you can learn from this Video Plus learning library. So it's include more than 100 videos. So it's very easy. Yes. Yeah. So that's, I think I covered almost all the basic parts of the Agile Central. So as you can see, it's very easy and easy flow and easy to learn, user friendly. In this reference page, I mentioned all the links that needed to learn this CA Agile Central. Yeah, that's it. Any questions? Yeah, so if there are no questions, that's it.